warning weather with Cheif Meteorologist Erin Christiansen.
Welcome back. Well, we give you a look at our latest first warning radar. We've been watching these storms popping up east of Tucson, now tracking directly to the west about 5 miles per hour. Some of the storms in Cochise County have even turned severe because of the strong wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. We've had reports of reduced visibilities on the roads, even on the interstate, not too far from Wilcox because of the strong winds and blowing dust. So we're expecting more of that to move into eastern Pima County here over the next hour or two. And with it, you'll probably hear some rumbles of thunder as well. We're tracking quite a bit of lightning across southern Arizona. Also moving in with these storms. We've been watching most of the storms in Pima County, or the lightning kind of hugging the mountains. That's pretty typical, but could see one or two of those storms pushing off the mountains into the valley. So overnight, here's what we're expecting. The storms developing over the mountains first and then pushing off to the west northwest. With these storms moving slow, they're only moving at about 5 miles per hour. Heavy rain and flooding is going to be our biggest concern, along with those gusting winds and blowing dust. When we look at the water vapor imagery, and this is not something that I show all the time, but I think it tells a pretty good story today. This area with the gray and the orange, that's the super dry air, and you can see where Tucson is just on the edge between that dry air to the north and the more moist air to the south, indicated by the bright white and the green here. So we're kind of on the edge of seeing some of that deeper moisture move through. I can tell you that our monsoon, if we were doing this the old-fashioned way, okay, I know a lot of you still like to track that dew point, would have already started. Our dew point jumped above that critical 55-degree mark, or 54-degree mark rather, on the 5th of July. Made it to about 60, and it stayed in that area above that 55 now for 4 days. So the start of monsoon would have, the old-fashioned way, gone back to the 5th of July. So we feel very confident that that seasonal shift of winds has occurred, and we're starting to see signs of that deeper moisture moving in. We give you a live look outside on our sky cam. Quite a bit of cloud cover, dark clouds, as a matter of fact, as those storms are trying to develop over the mountains and then push in our direction over the valley. Now at 94 degrees is what we've dropped to. Our high in Tucson earlier today, 105. Yeah, and with that, in case you didn't have a chance to tune in over the weekend, we do continue our triple-digit heat streak. Yeah, we managed to keep this intact over the weekend. 38 days as of today now with that triple-digit heat, and that makes for the second longest triple-digit heat streak. Tomorrow, we will tie the record that was set back in 2005, and then by Wednesday, we will likely break it. Our high forecast for Tucson, 102, 94 Wilcox, 91 Oracle, 103 Marana, 100 Green Valley, and Douglas at 94. A look at the extended KGUN night on your side 7-day. 20% chance for storms again tomorrow and Wednesday with that triple-digit heat. By Thursday, we do drop below 100 with that increase in moisture. 30% chance Thursday, Friday, and on through our weekend. KGUN 9 on your side at 6 o'clock. We'll be right back.